Hi everyone, my name is Sherry and I'm the Academy and Community Lead at EasyStore, and this is how you can create a product template which you will only need to write your product description one time. Let's jump straight into it. Firstly, you will need to log in into your EasyStore admin panel, and once you have reached to this dashboard, click onto Products and select Templates. So once you click onto templates, you can see this is the page where you can create your product templates. So now we are going to add a new template. So once you click add template, this is the place, okay? So this template that you are creating will be the product description which you wish to apply to numerous products or all the products in your store. So rather than writing it again and again, you can actually come to this place, write it one time and apply to all the products. Okay, so now first thing first, we are going to name this template. What is this template all about? So for example, it is about refund. And of course, the most important part is the description. For example, this will be my description regarding refund. Yeah, so once you have the name and description, and then take a look at the visibility. Okay, meaning that where you want to publish it. You want to publish for all of your products, or you would like to publish to certain products according to which collection they are in. Okay. So for me, I'm going to publish for all of my products, meaning that this specific product description will be visible to all of my products. So once you're done, you can click Save. So once you click Save, there you go. Under Product Templates, you can see Refund, Visibility for all products, and last modified when. So this is how it looks like once you have created the product template for all products. For example, I'm just going to select randomly a product. And once you scroll down, and there you go, you can see the product description there. Let's try another one. Let's just randomly pick another product. See? There you go, the product description. So once you click the visibility to all products, meaning that this same product description will be applying to all of the products. Okay, so basically you only have to write the description one time. Another thing is that if you have more than one templates to create, which will apply to your products, you can do so. You can always come back to these product templates and click add template and create another template. For example, this time is about general info. And then the content will be this, for example. Okay, so here for the visibility, maybe for this template, I want to publish for not all products, but just certain products under a certain collection. For example, top dresses and blazers, meaning that only the products of top dresses and blazers will have this product description. So I click Save. Same thing, you will see this. And this is how it will look like. For example, top dresses and blazers. Let's look for the products. Okay, so let's click this and you can see this is the product description for top dresses and blazers. Okay, another one, dresses here. But for the other products, besides top dresses and blazers, we have the other product templates. For example, let's take a look at these high heels. And if you scroll down, you can see their product description is different. It is about the refund. Okay. So this is how you can do your product templates. You can do just one template which applies to all, or maybe you can create a few different templates which will apply to specific products. And this is how you can create a product template which you will only need to write one time of your product description, and it applies to numerous of your products or even all of your products. So it really saves your time. So start creating more product templates and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.